Pressure, pain, struggle, the things most people run from. But what if I told you that pressure isn't your enemy? It's your greatest weapon. The difference between those who win and those who fail, how they handle pressure. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to show you why embracing pressure is the only way to succeed in life. The world teaches you that pressure is bad, that stress should be avoided, that struggle is something to fear. But let me ask you, have you ever seen a diamond formed without pressure? Have you ever seen a champion rise without struggle? The truth is, everything great comes from pressure. Look at the greatest people in history: Jordan, Musk, Serena, Kobe. Every single one of them faced pressure that would break an ordinary person. But instead of running, they embraced it. They leaned into the fire. They let pressure mold them into something unstoppable. And you can do the same. The weak make excuses. It's too hard. I can't do this. What if I fail? But the strong, they say, this is my moment. This is my test. Bring it on. Winners see pressure as an opportunity. Losers see it as a curse. Which one are you? Most people crack under pressure because they've been trained to avoid discomfort. Society tells you to take it easy, to avoid struggle, but that's a lie. Pressure doesn't destroy you, it reveals you. And if you run from it, you'll never know who you could have become. The next time you feel pressure, smile. Because pressure means you're on the edge of something great. Pressure means you're growing. Pressure means you're getting stronger. Stop fearing it, embrace it. Let it mold you, shape you, turn you into something unbreakable. You have two choices: let pressure break you or let it build you. Choose wisely. If you're ready to embrace the fire and become your greatest self, smash that like button, drop us in the comments, and subscribe for more mindset-shifting content. Remember, pressure makes diamonds, so don't run, rise.